Hello and welcome. My name is Yol Haq, and today I am just introducing another Megasoft product, Megasoft Web Editor. And this software is free under the license of GNU General Public License. And if for further information or the feedback, contact me via my website www.gujarking.talktalk.net. I am a software second year student, and in this module we are doing the two. In this semester, we are completing the two module for the web design. First for internet programming using PHP, and second for multimedia. For this purpose, there is no specific editor is available, which is combined with the notebook and the Internet Explorer. And before to start this one, I decided to create my own web editor, include the built-in the notepad to make it easier for coding for HTML and PHP. That's my software, and that's the main menu. New, I want to create PHP file, HTML file, or text file. Open any existing file, save files, print code, and shut down. In setting, I can change font style, front color, back color, PHP auto refresh error, and HTML auto refresh error. I will explain later on what's the purposes. And help about PHP, help about HTML, about us, and contact us. Basically, this product is used as the normal Internet Explorer. For example, if I want to open any website like Google Chrome on internet, I just type here or just select from list. You can see that's the website. We can open and just select the website, select search, and we'll open the website. Or we can type here like to be normal editor, like the local host. See, and I just if I want to create a HTML file or want to open the existing, so if for example if I want to create the HTML file, so if I go to the new HTML file, so that's the pre-code loaded for HTML. If I add here the code, welcome to Megasoft. If I go here and save the file, save file, and welcome, because I selected I'm going to create the HTML file. By default, the browser know I'm going to save as extension HTML, so the HTML file is already selected. Welcome, save. See, it's showing here the welcome to Megasoft. As I changing here, the impact will be showing into browser as well. If I keep changing, like thanks for watching, and things I put the wrong spell, but don't care on this time. If I go keep saving, or I can save from here, so I can save from menu, and that's the one button down here as well, save and refresh. If I click this button, you can see it keep changing here. Just save it and keep changing, no need to go and refresh and close the notepad. And you can see that notepad is, that's the built-in, it's not using to the Windows notepad, that's created by myself, the notepad, and created myself the internet browser to work with it. So if I keep changing here, just save and refresh, it will save the file and it will show the display result as well while we saved. Secondly, new and PHP. I want to create PHP file. That's given to be my PHP syntax echo. I just display one here like welcome to PHP. So if I save here, and because where I want to save first, save file, and I just want to throw into the local host like Apache. I already installed the Apache htdocs, and I created one folder for my website, my web. So if I give to the name here like welcome, save, and first time if I, because the PHP, the call to the server side is not executed on your own personal machine, it will only be executed on to the server. So I just go on to the execute the code via localhost. So I give the one path here, my web slash welcome.php. See, showing here welcome to PHP. If I keep changing here at the moment, PHP, thanks for watching. So my browser know, because first when I created the HTML, it was because the HTML is translated within the browser, it was picking up from folder and display. And this time when it's saving as a PHP, it will go refresh via localhost. If I go to the save, and you can see the one I keep changing here, and PHP it will refreshing via host. So in case if I open existing file like or I just show the one I created before, the loops, that's the PHP file. And if I loop, you can see that's the refreshing via the local host and Apache server. And if in case then if the not is picking up via folder, we can fix PHP refresh. If the system is not this browser not picking the file via localhost, if I click this on here, if any problem in the refreshing, just press fix PHP auto refresh error. So it will fix the one and refresh via localhost. And that's open, that's the save, and that's print code. We can print that's notepad code, and the setting font style for notepad. If I want to set to the bold 10, okay, or if I want to set fore color to be green, you can see fore color green, and setting back color to be black. Okay, you can set the customize the notepad which color we like. And that's the fix PHP refresh error or fix HTML auto refresh error. If in case the system is not refreshing, the browser is not refreshing on via host, we can fix. If we click this one, they will set the setting to the via host refresh. Or in case of if our file is not allocated onto the into the local host, and if your machine is not installed to the Apache and you want to the execute any HTML file, we can tell them via here, like for HTML auto refresh, that we don't want to the execute via localhost, we want to execute from directly from folder. Help about PHP, and that's a website. That's the show code and hide code. For example, if I want to display page on full and I just want to get rid to hide this code, hide code, it will display you the give to the full view of the browser. If I want to show code, hide code, show code, we can do from one click. You show the notepad on code, and if you want to hide, if you want to the full view, and hide code. And help about HTML file. That's the you can see on top. That's the process bar. You will telling the that's the W3 school website, and because that's the weekend, my internet is not running too fast, so it's taking time. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, PHP, whatever we require the help about the code, we can, if we click here from help about to the HTML files, you will take to the W3 school website. About us, that's my own website, www.gujarking.talktalk.net, and that's the product. Don't pay via paywall anyway. And shop assistant, that's the software, other software I just working on at the moment. And contact us, that's my personal detail. And that's about us, that's my website. Actually the all help include here. So that's the normal home button, back, front, refresh, and that's showing the time, and that's date, and that's the asking for web address in case of any. And if I click to the admin, my PHP admin, you can see that's the PHP admin. Or if I go to the localhost, PHP admin, Google, Gujar King, and any website like you can work normal internet browser, and they work very fast as well, because it's if I Google and search and show code and hide code, and that's the basic information, HTML, PHP code editor designed by me, and that's the Megasoft Blackburn. And that's the pretty much is very easy to use. Just create the file and just save it and refresh automatically. No need to open a notepad and refresh all the time. If I just keep changing here and just press this button, save and refresh, you can see keep seeing the result here. And if I want to open the existing, just open file, and that's the same file as the one, print code and shut down. That's the notepad style and back color, PHPs and HTML refresh error, and that's help. Hope you will like this product, and if you got any feedback or any like or dislike, just write in comments. And this software will be a free under the GNU General Public License, and I will left I will try to install this to the Windows Store in case they allow me, and anybody can access this one. That's easy to create HTML and CSS and PHP files. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.